When you have a value that is explicitly written in your code, by the word explicit, that means it is clearly stated or defined. So in this one, it says, it is clearly written in our code. So, like the hello string in your function, it is considered to be hard-coded. Hard-coding a value inside a function might not make it as reusable as you'd like. Instead, you can define parameters for the functions which are a special rather variables that are given a value when you call the function and can be used in your function to dynamically change the result of the function's code. So to add a parameter in our function, we have to navigate to our function. In our case, it would be the padrow, and it says we would add a parameter name, and it should be inside the parenthesis itself. Nice.